Hey everyone, for those of you who have been longtime subscribers, you know I can handle quite a few things in the world of makeup, but I cannot put on false lashes to save my life. So when I got one of those emails from Sephora telling me about a new lash kit from Velour Lashes, this one is called the Effortless kit, and it is designed for beginners, people who just cannot do the false lash thing. I thought, yes, finally. This actually sold out right away, and I put myself on the wait list. It came back in stock and I grabbed it. So I thought we would walk through this together. All I've done to prepare is take off the little stickers on the side so I could slide it out of the box. And that's it. I put on makeup, and this look is actually coming on Friday, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. It's a easy breezy, really quick, low key summer makeup look. Very few products involved. So I have mascara and I kind of curled my lashes, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that or not before you put on lashes, but from everyone else's videos I've generally watched over the years, you do that. I hope I haven't messed up already. But anyway, let's do this together. So this is the Velour, the Effortless kit. No, what is it called? It's called the Velour, the Effortless kit. And it says, would I lie? 1 pair of silk lashes. It comes with what looks like a little tweezer lash applicator, glue, and the lashes. So let's do this. I've got a mirror on a stand here, and then I also have a mirror that is filthy, but it has like a zoom magnifier on one side, so I can really get in there if I need to. And let's get into it. I'm a little nervous. This could be a disaster. So I've taken the top off. We will zoom in for the application part, and it has no instructions, like nothing. It just has on the back of the box, it has a picture of someone holding the lash, and it looks like they're brushing on the glue. It doesn't look like the glue brush I have, not too dissimilar. So, all right, let's zoom in. I'm gonna pull my hair back actually. Let's zoom in and let's give this a go. I will take the lash off. How do I get this off? I'll use the lash applicator to gently pull it. Okay, these are glued on with like epoxy. Come on. Now I guess the appeal of this is that they don't need to be trimmed. So these are very short, I guess, as compared to other lashes. So let's just, without gluing them, place them on the eye. Yeah, that's not a lie. They do fit without trimming. That's awesome. Yay! Obviously there's no glue and I didn't push them down, but that's really nice. Okay, well that by itself is very exciting. I'm gonna so we're ready for the other one, I'm gonna pull it off. They are really glued quite strongly on there. I have read conflicting recommendations as to how long you're supposed to let it set over the years. Some people say 15 seconds, some people say a minute. I can't see any glue. Like I can't tell if I have put any glue on this at all, so I'm just gonna do more. Oh dear, yes, there's glue. Uh-oh. And we'll let 15 seconds or so go by. So I think sufficient time has gone on, and I think you're supposed to kind of look down into a mirror and then place it in the center of your eye and then kind of tug it into place, like align it with the corners. Now I'm left-handed, so I'm thinking the left eye is going to go better than the right eye. We shall see. So, tilting my mirror down. Go down. And then go down in the corner. Go, go, go. Oh, Marnie, you've already messed this up. Okay. I don't think I did it far enough on the outside, so it's maybe a little too close on the inside. It's not really lining up so well. Let's try the second one. So both eyes are on. They've been on for about 5 minutes, so I am definitely getting used to the feel of them. I still can kind of see just at the edge of my field of vision a little bit of black fuzz almost, but the longer I have them on, the less I'm noticing it. I feel like as the day progresses, I won't even know they're there. The second eye went on so much more easily than the first eye. I have obviously over the years attempted to wear false eyelashes, and they've never gone as easily as this. I have to admit, I am pleasantly surprised. I thought that this was going to go down in the books as just yet another makeup disaster as the first impression video. So I recommend this. I recommend these. I'm shocked. I wish all eyelashes would be made just like this. Now, I do wish these were a little more dramatic as far as length or volume. I did stop and look at Michael and say, can you tell I'm wearing false lashes? And he's like, no. I think they look nice, but I don't think these look real. They're much darker and more fluttery than anything I could have grown out of my own face. So I mean, I don't think these could pass as real, but to a man who doesn't have a clue, maybe. But I would definitely recommend these. I think there are 2 or 3 different styles. These are the Would I Lie style. So I may look at the other options. I think there are some that are less natural. And I do believe that with practice, this will get easier and easier, and you can reuse these many, many times. So I'm going to take care of them. I'm going to take the glue up with makeup remover when I'm done with these, and I am going to keep wearing them. I am really, really pleased with this. I'd like to hear back from you. Has anyone tried this particular version of the velour lashes or any velour lashes? This is the first try of any velour lashes. I'm going to stop playing with my hair. Okay. But wow, yay, I did it. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, please let me know, give me some feedback on the lashes in general. I have a whole bunch of fake lashes sitting in a drawer, and now I'm kind of thinking, I could do this. I'm gonna give this a go. I really don't wanna do eyelash extensions. I'm high maintenance enough between my hair and my nails. I don't need another thing that I have to commit to keeping up. I've seen what they do when you're done with them if you don't keep them up, and that's not for me, and I don't know. I'm not interested in that. So if I can just do false lashes when I feel like having dramatic lashes, I think that would be great. So now I'm excited that this is an option. So anyway, I will list the information in the description box. Pop that open. You can buy just the lashes, or you can buy the kit. So yeah. Let me know what you think. I'm pretty excited about this. And don't forget to subscribe so you can watch the whole look minus the lashes on Friday. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.